Example 10. Let A be the set of 1, 2 and set of 3, 4 and 5. Then which of the following statements are correct or incorrect? 11th standard CBC. Then example 10. Now third question is set of set 3 and 4 is subset of A. Is this statement is correct? Set of set 3 by 4 is subset of A. This statement is correct. Then next to fourth question, 1 belongs to A is correct. Then 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. 1, 2, 5 is the subset of A. So this one is also correct because 1, 2, 5 is the element of set A. So 1, 2, 5 is subset of A. The next one is the one subset is one is the subset of A is incorrect. One is the subset of A is incorrect. Then 1, 2, 3 is subset of A is incorrect. Set of 1, 2, 3 is subset of A is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. This one is also incorrect because three is not an element of A. So 1, 2, 3 is not a subset of A. That's all. Now once again, let A be the set of 1, 2 and set of 3, 4 and 5. Which of the following statements are correct or incorrect? Third question is set of set 3, 4 is subset of A is correct statement and 1 belongs to A is correct statement. Set of 1 to 5 is subset of A is correct statement because 1 to 5 is the element of set A. So 1 to 5 is the subset of A. Then next one is sixth sum. 1 is the subset of A is incorrect. 1 is the subset of A is incorrect. Then next one is seventh sum. Set of 1, 2, 3 is subset of A. Incorrect because 3 is not an element of A. Then so 1 to 3 is not a subset of A. That's all.